Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is important for many people. How to calculate safe days to avoid pregnancy. Whether you're looking for a natural family planning method or just want to better understand your body, this information can be quite useful. So, let's dive right in. Understanding the menstrual cycle. Before we get into calculating safe days, it's essential to understand the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle typically lasts around 28 days, but it can vary from person to person. It's divided into two main phases, the follicular phase and the luteal phase. The follicular phase. This phase starts on the first day of your period. During this time, your body prepares to release an egg, ovulation. This phase can last anywhere from 30 to 20 days. Luteal phase. After ovulation, you enter the luteal phase, which lasts about 12 to 16 days. If fertilization doesn't occur, the uterine lining sheds, leading to menstruation, and the cycle begins again. Ovulation and fertility. Ovulation is the key to understanding your fertile window. This is the time when an egg is released from your ovary and can potentially be fertilized by sperm. Ovulation usually occurs in the middle of your menstrual cycle, around day 14 if you have a 28-day cycle. However, if your cycle is shorter or longer, you will need to adjust the timing accordingly. Calculating safe days. Now, let's get to the important part, calculating your safe days to avoid pregnancy. To do this, you need to identify your fertile window, which is the time when you're most likely to get pregnant. Here's a step-by-step guide. Track your menstrual cycle. Start by tracking your menstrual cycle for a few months. Note the first day of your period each month. Determine your cycle length. Calculate the average length of your menstrual cycle. Add up the number of days in your last few cycles and divide the number of cycles to get an average. Identify your ovulation date. Once you know your average cycle length, subtract 14 days from it. For example, if your average cycle is 30 days, your estimated ovulation day would be around day 16. Consider sperm survival. Sperm can survive inside your body for up to 5 days. So, to be extra safe, you should also avoid unprotected sex for a few days leading up to your estimated ovulation day. Your safe days. The days before and after your estimated ovulation day, plus the additional days accounting for sperm survival, are your safe days when the chances of getting pregnant are significantly lower. Important factors to consider. While calculating safe days can be helpful, it's not foolproof. There are several factors to consider. Cycle variability. Your cycle may not always be regular, so be prepared for some variability. External factors, stress, illness, and other factors can affect your cycle and ovulation timing. Contraception backup. If avoiding pregnancy is crucial, considering using additional contraceptive methods like condoms or birth control pill. Consult a healthcare professional. If you are unsure or have irregular cycle, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional for guidance on family planning. Understanding your menstrual cycle and calculating safe days can be effective way to avoid pregnancy naturally. However, it's important to remember that this method is not as reliable as other forms of contraception. If you're serious about preventing pregnancy, consider consulting a healthcare provider for more reliable options. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.